How to import your existing crypto wallet to Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on more security settings. Now in here, go down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Then tap on continued and then tap on continued. Next, tap on the link button to connect or import your existing crypto wallet. So tap on link. Now you need to have the 12 recovery phrase. In here, we're going to set a pin. So set your own custom pin. Next, you need to verify with a pin or a fingerprint. Here, enter in the 12 recovery phrase. So enter in the 12 recovery phrase and then tap on next. Okay, after you tap on the next button, it is now complete. So tap on done. And that's it. So we have now successfully relink or import your existing wallet to Samsung Blockchain Keystore. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.